friends gave me literally, like, just texted me, 3:06, we're coming to get ya. It's 3:08. I have like 2 minutes to do makeup and my hair. Let's see if I can do it. We're going to the, what is it, the Billard Trail?
Billard.
Billard Trail. Billard Trail. So, I've never been there. Should be interesting. You've been there?
I got when I was in junior high. So it's been a long time. Over 10 years.
And it, just to reaffirm this, it is freezing out right now. Again, it looks like, oh, what a beautiful spring day. The sun is shining. There's like hardly any clouds. Well, it could be worse, okay? But it's cold out. It's very cold.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Trolling you.
Oh. Troll bridge. Steep troll bridge. Love the graffiti work.
Yeah. Okay. You are here.
Okay.
Why isn't this bridge open?
It's still pretty icy here, honestly. We have a puppy guiding our way.
Okay. That's just silly, I'm talking. That's okay, you are. I'm not saying that this is my dog. Well, see, this is... If he came up on you, you wouldn't...
Hi.
You'd be a little bit surprised.
Hi.
He's almost coming way up the trail. Come here.
Hello. Hi.
Here, Chopper, here. Okay, go find... Look, he dropped it, look. Looks like a little racehorse. Here, come on. How you doing?
Where we are.
Hello.
Oh.
Come on, Annie, come on.
Do you know where this water steams from?
We had to go looking for them before. But now they come out on the perimeter of the trail.
It's like a video game. It's like a really cool medieval movie. Those holes are made by woodpeckers. Go, Canadian woodpeckers.
That goes out. Wait, does it though? But that, it's gonna follow the water. Okay. It does go to nowhere land. That's that bridge. Okay. I think going to the perimeter.
We're gonna get lost, aren't we?
No. Follow the flow of the water.
Hey, so I was going to do something extremely interesting and fun tonight, but it turns out I can't. I'm actually doing filming for a movie coming up here in... Wow, I totally just blanked. Where do I live? Here in Nova Scotia. And I was going to do a video update about that, so I'll try to get that out first. I still even haven't posted the video from St. Patrick's Day. I'm so far behind. I have, like, look at this. That's my school schedule. I have a presentation due there. Didn't do it yet. Lots of stuff going on. That's my April. My last day of class is this one. And then my exams are all during here. And then I graduate on this date. I still have so many papers to do. Don't wanna. But, yes. I was going to do something fun and interesting and something random, because I'm kind of like that, and last night I went to sleep at like 5 a.m. and I was like, oh my god, tonight I'm going to be up so late and I'm going to do something really funny and really cool and really random. No. I have to get up at like 9 for filming. So, sorry guys. Not happening. Boo. Boo. But I am excited to work on this video. I'm just on the crew. So, I'm not in it. That's fine with me. Still getting used to the whole camera in my face thing. Use in my face, use in my face. I'm sure little kitty is. Yeah, so I'll try to come up with the videos soon, and I'll keep trying to update my videos every day, but YouTube, no, not YouTube. YouTube loves me. YouTube loves me. My internet hates me. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really trying. So, that'll be it for today. So, subscribe. Love ya. Comment with the thingy down in the bottom here. There's a little button. You want to press that button. Press that button that says ding! Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. You want to touch that button. You want to hit that button. I know you. Yes. Yes, you do. You do want to hit that button. You do. Don't. Nah, I see you not hitting that. There's a good boy. Good night.